Get 2023 rolling with must-have party snacks.
Yes, our friend cookbook author Courtney Hill is back to share some ideas. Welcome back.
Thank you so much
back,
for having
Courtney.
me. I'm so excited.
Okay, so first off, what are your New Year's Eve plans and resolutions?
I am going to spend it with my friends and my family. We're going to keep it kind of low-key this year, a little restful New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Oh, that's amazing. So,
That's my plan too.
What do we have? What are we making today? I see we have, actually, I'll let you say
Okay.
it.
Well, for us, a tradition at New Year's Eve is fondue.
Yeah. Okay.
So today I'm going to share with you my list of fondues and fondants.
Oh,
Just
okay.
kidding. There's no fondants.
Oh.
The only fondant is don't forget the fondue.
All right, so what do we have first?
Okay, so first we have a traditional fondue, which is white wine and Swiss cheese. And actually, I just bought it in a pre-made package.
Oh.
So that's really easy. You can get that at the grocery store.
Fun.
I do like to add a little bit of Worcestershire, however you say it.
I know,
However you say it.
yeah.
Sauce to that, and then you just let it heat up. You can do it on the stove if you don't have a fondue pot. And then you take your lovely skewers and you dip all these lovely things into it. I have little petite corns,
Baby corns.
mushrooms, little salamis, and artichoke hearts, and then bread.
Okay.
And then for the kids, I like to do a kid-friendly fondue, which is this one here, and it's basically just a basic cheese sauce, which is in the cookbook. And so for that one, I've done pretzel bites, potatoes, smokies, broccoli, and ham.
Oh, that's
Wow,
very
they're
kid
gonna
friendly.
love that.
I like that one too. I'm a big kid at heart.
Then for dessert, we have chocolate fondue.
Oh, okay.
Chocolate
If you can, I don't know if you can
fondue?
reach that. You
Here.
can, I'm sorry, I should have taken that
Nope,
off.
all good. There we go.
But we have lots of fruit, marshmallows, cookies, and you can dip it in the chocolate fondue, which is almond bark and whipping cream.
What are you going
Ooh,
to dip?
all
Tony?
right.
She's going to go for a
strawberry.
Chocolate-covered strawberry.
So, is there like a rule of how long you dip it in there, or
It's
you
really
just?
preference, yeah. Just
Okay.
how much chocolate do you want on that strawberry?
a
Oh,
lot
man.
or a little?
You know, I
You
didn't
may
think
need
about
to
this.
put a hand in.
Right. Okay.
You know what? I'll give you a little plate here. How about that?
Perfect. There we go.
All right. The moment of truth.
The moment of truth.
Just don't spill on you. Oh, okay. She's got it, everybody. She's got it.
You cannot go wrong with a chocolate-covered strawberry.
This is fun. This makes a really good spread.
Yeah, it's really
home.
fun. And it doesn't take too much prep, but you can snack on it all night.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And you also
Okay.
have something to drink, though.
Yeah.
Yes, I wanted to show you a fun trick with champagne and cotton candy.
Okay.
So you can have different flavors. I think that's blue raspberry and strawberry. So you put the
Okay.
cotton candy in the glass and then you just pour the champagne over it.
Well, that looks simple.
And it's just kind of fun.
Oh,
gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, there we go.
So
Beautiful.
we have green. We have
Yes.
green. We have like a turquoise, and we have pink.
Yes. Mine's
Oh my God.
watermelon.
It's fine.
Fun. I love this. Okay, so this is blue cotton candy.
Yes, I think it's blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
And that's, I believe, strawberry, and this is watermelon.
Where'd you get the cotton candy at?
I actually got it at the dollar store. They had it out for Valentine's Day, so you can go get it right now.
They have Valentine's Day things already up.
No, I know, it's crazy.
We're not even 2023 yet. So tell us about your book, because a lot of what you brought in today is in your book. So tell us about that.
Yes, the cookbook is just a compilation of recipes that I grew up with my grandmother, my mother, and then some of my own design. And I just really wanted to celebrate family and eating around the table and showing you that you can cook at home more without it taking all day or without it having to be super complicated.
Yeah.
And I really love the vintage style, as you can tell. So my wonderfully talented husband took all the photos for the book, and he took them in like a really 50s kind of style with the lighting and all the dishes and everything.
Fun.
So,
I
it's
love
very
it.
fun.
Now, you said this one right here was for the kids?
Well, adults too.
Adults,
but yeah.
too. So, but it complements the kids'
Yes.
plate. How did you, what's this one again?
It is a basic cheese sauce, and that is a recipe in the book with, it goes really great with any vegetable. I pour it over broccoli or cabbage, and it can be a base for macaroni and cheese or any type of thing where you would need a cheese sauce.
Okay.
So-
Yeah, I
let
think,
me-
Adriana,
let me-
you should
let me
try.
try
Yes,
some.
please do.
I don't know what
I
to-
can bring it over.
How about I get, okay, what is this?
Pretzel bite.
Oh, pretzel bites. I thought they were like little potatoes.
These
So
are
those are
potatoes.
potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Dip into the fondue. Oh.
Oh, do you need a plate too?
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Oh
The
my
cheese
gosh.
sauce is good.
That's delicious.
I think I want to try the fondue with the wine.
Okay.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
This is good, Courtney.
Oh, good.
Wow.
Okay.
I think
I'm
the
gonna come
wine
over
cooks
here.
out of it, but it does leave an interesting flavor that sometimes kids don't like, but I really don't think there's any
All right.
alcohol in it.
Now I'm ready to make the spread. Yummy.
Very yummy.
And you know, you add a little Worcestershire. So
I
make
love
it
the
your own.
pretzels. I love the pretzels with. I love this combination. Okay, I'm sold.
You need another one?
I do. Thank you, Courtney.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Now, if you want to see these delicious ideas again, just head to our website later this afternoon.
See you guys.